Okay, YouTube, good morning. Today I'm going to be preparing a chicken salad with 2 rotisserie chickens. And I actually go ahead and purchase them already cooked from Publix. So what I'm about to do is I'm going to chop them up into pieces and actually cut up everything. So y'all bear with me and I'll be returning in a couple of seconds. Okay guys, so my ingredients that I'm going to be using, some ranch seasoning, an onion, some McCormick black pepper, some Duke mayonnaise, some basil leaves, and some eggs, of course. And guys, let me tell you something else. If you guys have never used the Cuisinart knives, they are like everything. Like, try them. And you can actually get those from QVC or HSN. Alright guys, give me a second. Okay guys, our next step is to actually get rid of some of this freshness on this chicken. I cannot stand the smell of chicken, especially rotisserie chicken. It's very fresh. So what I do is I go ahead and basil my chicken and put it to the side as I cut the rest of the vegetables, onions, and things up, sweet cubes. And I'm going to actually put the eggs on. Okay guys, so now I'm just boiling the eggs. I put a little Morrison salt in there so that way when it's time to peel the eggs, it'll be easy to peel. And I'm also going to show you, okay guys, before we start mixing, we are going to actually, one more thing I'm missing, my ranch seasoning. Okay. Let's place this in. And we got about 5 teaspoons of Duke's mayonnaise and half a pack of ranch seasoning. We're gonna get the mixing. Okay, now I'm adding about 2 more tablespoons. We don't want it too soupy. We're just gonna keep mixing. I'm gonna get that mayonnaise all the way around. Mix it all together. Okay guys, before we start mixing, we are going to actually, one more thing I'm missing, my ranch seasoning. Okay guys, I'm actually adding a little more sweet cubes, which I added 2 more teaspoons. Right now I'm adding pepper and a little salt. I almost forgot my paprika and my parsley flakes. What did I almost forget? I love parsley. Yes, I love parsley, y'all. You do not have to put parsley, but I love parsley, so put it in all my food. And basil. Mix it all together. Smells good.